Here is the intro for Linger, picked very slowly. D chord, and I'm using quarter of my plectrum, downstrokes on the bottom 3 strings. My hand would be back sitting on the bridge normally, but just for this video I brought it up here, and I'm just going to pick the 3rd, 2nd, 1st. Four times. Then take off your 1st finger and do the very same thing here 4 times. Bring it back on. This is it at normal speed. As a beginner, you're going to get some of this. And picking a little intro like this does wonders for improving your sound on guitar, because when you go back strumming, instead of getting that type of sound, you'll get this very pure sound. It does wonders for your guitar playing to be able to clearly pick little intros for songs like this.